Hello and welcome to this informative video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to provide you with valuable insights into the food and beverage industry. We'll be exploring the top trends to watch for in the coming year, including sustainability, overcoming inflation, plant-based foods, online groceries, pet food production, and efficient asset operations management. This video is a must-watch for maintenance and operations teams looking to stay competitive in the ever-evolving industry. So without further ado, let's get started. Food and beverage companies are the lifeblood of our society, creating products we can't live without. This makes their industry one of the largest and most profitable, but also incredibly competitive. To stay ahead, businesses in this sector need to keep a keen eye on industry trends. Over the past few years, many changes have influenced these trends, including the pandemic, labor shortages, material shortages, online shopping options, and inflation. Other trends, like sustainability and plant-based foods, have seen a rise in popularity and show no signs of slowing down. First up, sustainability and transparency. This isn't a new trend, but it's one that's growing in importance. Customers today are more conscious of the impacts of the products they buy. They're looking for products that are packaged with little or no plastic, grown organically or sustainably, can be recycled, or are produced by brands committed to supporting healthy and safe conditions for workers. And because sustainability is so important, transparency is also highly valued. Consumers want to know more about the products they buy, from the ingredients used to potential risks to nutritional information. This gives them confidence in the manufacturer's safety practices and creates a market for businesses willing to invest in sustainable food production. Next, we have the challenge of overcoming inflation, material shortages, and labor challenges. The pandemic has had lasting impacts on practically every industry. Inflation has become a major issue, leading to an unavoidable rise in operating costs and, in turn, higher retail costs. Many customers are still struggling from the economic impacts of COVID-19 and are forced to look for the lowest price tags. In response, many companies have turned to technologies like production automation to keep rising prices as low as possible. Third on our list is the rise of plant-based foods. Despite some pushback, plant-based foods have survived and thrived. There's still a lot of room for innovation and improvement in this sector, and its increasing popularity brings assurance that investments in the plant-based food industry won't be wasted. The fourth trend to watch out for is the continued growth of online groceries and pre-made meals. Online shopping has skyrocketed during the pandemic and hasn't lost its momentum. More and more consumers are opting for pre-made meals and meal kits that can be ordered on a subscription basis. Some even offer subscriptions targeted toward particular diets, making it easy for people to stick to their dietary preferences or avoid foods they're allergic to. Fifth on our list is the rise in pet food production. Many pet owners want the best for their furry friends, and high-quality pet food is becoming a priority. Labels that advertise health and wellness are likely to get more attention, and there's been a noticeable preference for fresh food options. Last but not least, asset operations management is a trend that's here to stay. Whether it's a simple AC unit or a complex automatic packaging machine, food production always involves maintenance of some kind. But a surprising number of food manufacturers remain trapped in inefficient paper-based maintenance systems. Even those companies that have made an effort often haven't optimized maintenance processes. As a result, there is always room for improvement with asset operations management. In conclusion, the aftermath of the pandemic continues to impact the food and beverage industry for better or worse. Businesses must adjust to these changes, whether that's finding more efficient and affordable ways to produce food due to shortages and inflation, or targeting specific customers with pre-made meals, plant-based food, or healthy pet food. By keeping an eye on these trends, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and continue to thrive in this competitive industry. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We've covered key concepts like sustainability, overcoming inflation, the rise of plant-based foods, online groceries, pet food production, and the importance of efficient asset operations management. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For additional resources and to learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com.